Hi, my name is Shail Varghese. I'm a financial consultant at Primus Corporate. Primus has been in the market for more than 5 years now, and we have a client base of over 250 clients worldwide. Primus offers its services like technology consulting. We help businesses optimize their operational expenses. We also help startups with funding support. And last but not the least, our primary business is financial consulting and advisory services. So we've been assisting our clients with technology consulting and software migration. We were looking for a better, more flexible, scalable software, and that's when we found Odoo. Unfortunately, we did not have the right in-house competency in Odoo, and that's when we found Voxtron. So when we first approached Voxtron, they gave us a very extensive schedule which spanned 4 days, and it was 8 hours a day. And unfortunately, we did not have the luxury of time to attend such a long course. So we insisted that they cut it down, and they did, to 4 hours a day spanning over 4 days, which was great for us. Even though it was a limited time frame, they were able to explain all the modules that were relevant to us very clearly, very concisely, and we got a great experience. The value was great, and we're very happy with it. Our instructor was able to give us a very clear understanding on how best to use Odoo for our requirements. He managed to give us training using real-time examples, and that showed us how best to customize the default features on Odoo so that it suits our requirement. I think Voxtron's great. We were anyway looking at a technology vendor to collaborate with, and I think we're going to look at Voxtron as our long-term technology partner. Thank you.